We are now going to look at how you will complete your assignments. Remember, these are under the Activities tab, and it tells me I have 3 that I have not finished. So we're just going to look at a couple of them here. Let's start with social distancing. Here are instructions. And so if I click on this, it will play the instructions from my teacher. Hey guys, I have a fun activity for you to complete. So let's assume we listen to that. And I know that this tells me to watch this video and then to complete a notepad. If you click on the video, it will open up immediately.
You're hearing a lot about the coronavirus right now.
And when we are finished, we go back to our Seesaw and we now add our response. And there's that note card that was talked about by my teacher in the instructions. Now notice at the bottom, your teacher may tell you to write on the notepad, or they may tell you to record an answer depending upon your grade level. Let's say they asked us to write. This will now work just like a Word document. Notice if I forget the instructions, I can play them again. I can go back and I can say I'm done. It asks me if I'm sure I'm done, and I click for a second time. Now I am waiting for my teacher to approve this assignment. Let's look at another type of assignment. This one tells me to type the ending sound. So I'm going to go to my add response. And there it pulls up. Let me show you the options we have here. I could choose a pencil or a marker and change my color over here. And then I can come up here and with my finger on an iPad or the mouse on a computer, I can write my answers. Now there's also a text box. And I could put the next letter I need. You do click off the text box and then you can go back and move that text box. There are more options. Anytime you see 3 bubbles, that normally means more options. And I can make my letters bigger. Different styles. So we're going to go with that one. And for our younger students, we can also record our answer. Cup, sun, tag, dog, wig, map, and hit done. So this just depends on how your teacher has asked you to answer. Now it's loaded and it's ready for me to submit. If I have messed up anywhere, I can always hit the undo button. So we will submit. And now we've done 2 of our assignments. Once again, you have to go back to your activities to see what else is left. This is just a few ways your teachers may have you complete assignments on Seesaw. Now go log in and have some fun learning.